Safety first. Like it went, but it was scary went. Check out the van, I guess, if you want to. Oh my God, that's quality. Safety first. This thing sounds so good. Okay. It's weird hearing the engine behind you, dude.
Oh yeah, it just wait till
Oh my gosh.
Freaking, it's a different sound, man. It sounds louder than we're going, but we're only going 25.
Dude, like I heard you on the road when I was driving behind you. I was like, good gosh, man, that thing is, it's massive. But it sounds good. I'm like,
yeah.
And just how it echoes, like off of like just the concrete. I'm just like, what in the world? Dude, just knowing that these things exist. You guys didn't know, by the way, this is my dream car. They're running at my boy Donovan right here. Okay. That wasn't even full throttle either. Oh, ooh.
Wide open.
The rev match. Yo, this thing is grippy. Did our daily shopping. The grip. Oh my God. This thing grips, man. It plays no games. It hooks and it goes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this beats GTR. Right here is just. That's 3. Oh my God. That's insane. Oh my God. Just the power to weight ratio on this thing, man. I like it. I love it.
I love the sound and the pull.
It's just so satisfying, man. That's all it is. It's just the pull, perfect. The power, perfect. If you want to go a little bit more, that's fine, but don't overbearing it. Like this thing just, oh gosh. Just the sound of that engine, man. It's like, it's violent. It's really violent. And this is definitely a head turner on the road. Oh, that's a rent-a-cop. Like, dude. Insane. Yeah, you gotta get this thing on some cruises, man. Nice little corner action. On the dime turning. How you doing, man? I'm just driving. I'm gonna have this car. I'll be a menace to society in this thing. I'll be a menace to society. They're like, God dang it, that guy's back. Dude, has your neighbor said anything about it?
No.
No?
Not yet.
How your neighbors not even see this thing? I'll be like, dude, I'm like, did he take it out yet? Is it out? I'm like, babe, he's taking it out! Best supercar. Actually my first favorite supercar. This actually is my first.
Yeah, this is my first too.
Because just the styling, man. Way before even Iron Man even showed it to anybody. This was like the #1. Then the Viper's #2. You gotta have something that can kill you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a car that you respect. I like it, dude. That was nice. Simple. Simple. Even has cup holders. Lamborghini, man. What you guys doing? This guy can drink Starbucks in the morning. the wife like it?
Oh, she drives it more than I do. I only take it to work once a week.
Good God, would you guys let your wife take your supercar and drive it every day? I would. Why not? But alright guys, thanks for the ride along. It's your boy Bruce. Come back to another video guys. Peace.